Okay, in this video, what I want to talk about is texture on the ceiling. A lot of people think that a smooth ceiling is better for a mural, but actually a textured ceiling is better for you in the long run. And here's why. When I paint my stars on the ceiling, there's a little bump that's left. And when you have something like this ceiling up here, a knockdown ceiling, this isn't a very heavy knockdown. It's kind of a light knockdown, but that's hiding a lot of stars. There's actually a mural on this ceiling, and you can't see any stars. I can kind of see one right here, but because of the knockdown, that's hard to see. And so this is my favorite ceiling, a knockdown. I just think it's a great ceiling. It looks nice, and it also hides the mural. And of course, if you go with a black paint or a really dark paint, you'll probably see some of the stars. But any kind of a light paint, this is a light gray or blue. I'm colorblind, so I don't know. But any kind of a light color on the ceiling, and it's going to be virtually invisible. You can also go with kind of an orange peel. I don't know how many ceilings have orange peel on them, but this is another texture that would hide the mural pretty good. But anyway, so texture is good. You're going to like it a lot better in the end because it's going to hide a lot of little bumps that are up there. Hope that helps. Thanks.